This is Saivalsis speaking. Children, we are going to deal with two questions, last two questions of exercise 11.2 of the chapter perimeter and area. The last two questions are of area of triangle. Two questions I have written on the board. Here are the diagrams of question number 7, and here is the diagram of question number 8. What are the things, informations are given? I have already written on the board. Here are the informations are given. There is one triangle. The diagram of the triangle is drawn on the board. It's available also on your book. The informations are: ABC is a right angled triangle. ABC is a right angled triangle in which AD is perpendicular. This is the AD, height of this triangle, perpendicular on BC, perpendicular on the side BC, in which the measure of side AB is 5 centimeter, measure of the side BC is 13 centimeter, and the measure of the side AC is 12 centimeter. So children, the measure of all three sides are given. AB is 5, BC is 13, and AC is 12 centimeter. Alright, now what we need to do, that is, we have to find the area of this triangle. We have to find area of this triangle. Okay, and we have to also find the measure of AD. Acha children, now you might be thinking that this is the height of this triangle and this is the base of this triangle, and the formula is half into base into height is area. So half into base, the measure of the base is 13 centimeter, which is already given, and the measure of height is unknown. We don't know the measure of the height of this triangle. So we cannot find the area of this triangle using half into base into height, using BC as the base and AD as the height. We cannot find the area of this triangle. Using AD and BC, we cannot find. Now what we have to do, we have to use a trick. The trick is, we'll find the area of this triangle. We'll find the area of this triangle using the formula half into base into height. But in that case, we will flip this figure. We will rotate this figure. If I make rotation of this figure, AB will be considered as base and AC will be considered as height. Children, I cannot rotate the board. It's not possible for me. But if you rotate the book which you are holding now, AB will be considered as base and AC will be considered as height. Why? Because AC and AB, they are perpendicular on each other. They are perpendicular on each other and they are forming 90 degree. They are forming 90 degree. So here AB is the base, AC is the height, or AC is the height, AB is the base. There is no difference at all. So children, let us find the area of this triangle first. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half, base is 5, height is 12, because base is AB and height is AC. I'm considering AB as the base and AC as the height. So let us check out. 2 6 are 12. It got cancelled. 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. The area of the triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square. I already got one answer, that is 30 centimeter square. Area is equal to 30 centimeter square. Now, one more information to be found, that is AD. What is the measure of AD that we don't know? The measure of AD is unknown, but we will find. How? The process is, which area I have just now I have got, that is 30 centimeter square. If I find the area in this way, half into base into height, in which base is 13, height is AD and area is 30. Can we write in that way? Yes, we can. I'm repeating my word once again. If I find the area of this triangle ABC once again I'll find the area of the triangle ABC, but I'll use a trick. We know again, half into base into height equal to area of the triangle, right? Now half, base is 13, height is unknown, let it be AD only, area is 30. No matters whether we are considering AD as the height or AC as the height, area must be always same. It will remain same only. Now, I'll just write AD here. Half 1 by 2 will be transposed to the right hand side. So that is going to reciprocate. It would be 2 into 1. That will turn into 2 by 1. And 13 was multiplied. That will be divided here. So AD is equal to 60 by 30. We cannot have a proper fraction in this case, in this situation, so we have to bring the answer into decimal. Or if you want to keep your answer 60 by 30, up yours. You can check out in your book whether they have asked you to write the answer in decimal or in fraction. If it is asked in fraction, so let it be this way. If it is in decimal, you can convert, no problem in that. So children, this is how we got the answer of question number 7. Now question number 8 is pretty similar to the question number 7. What are the informations? Here is a diagram, triangle ABC. AD is the perpendicular height and CE is one more height, and measure of all three sides are given. AB is 7.5 centimeter, AC is also 7.5 centimeter. It is actually an isosceles triangle, right? The measure of BC is 9 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, BC is 9 centimeter, CE to be found. Let us check it out how to do this. Okay? Children, I am going to use the formula half into base into height. So here is the base and here is the height. Both the informations I have got. So naturally, it's pretty easier for me to find the area of this triangle. So we'll write, we know that area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. Half, what is the measure of the base? 9. What is the measure of the height? That is 6. Let us cancel. 2 and 6 is 3. 3 9s are 27 centimeters square. I got the area of this triangle ABC 27 centimeters square. Children, if I take again CE as height and AB as the base, and if I find the area of this triangle once again, I'm telling you, you will get 20 centimeters square for sure. No matters whether you are taking this one as height or this one as base or this one as height and this one as base. Doesn't matter at all. There is no there is no difference at all. Area must be always same. So children, now I'll find the measure of CE using this trick which I've already used in question number 7. Again, half into base into height equal to area. Half, base is 7.5, height is unknown, let it be CE, and area we got, that is 27. I'll just put 27 here so that I can find CE using simple equation process. Now CE is equal to 27. 1 by 2 will reciprocate this side, it will be transposed, and that's gonna be reciprocate over here. It will be 2 by 1. 7.5 was in the place of numerator, that's going to be in the place of denominator and right hand side. And I'm going to remove this point. I'm supposed to get 10 upside. Now, how to cancel? 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 3 5s are 15. I got 25 here. It's 9 2s are 18 into 10, 180 by 25. 5 5s are 25. This one will be 36 by 5. 36 by 5 means 7.2. 7.2 centimeter is the answer. So in this way we will get the answer for question number 8. So I hope, I can expect that you all have understood this concept. It's very easy. And we are over with this exercise 11.2. The next explanation will be on exercise 11.3. Till then, thank you so much, children. Please try out the sums in your mathematics copy. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.